Alright guys, let's take a look what we got. I hope y'all can hear me alright. Can you? Anyway, we'll see what happens. So anyways, just addressing what we have here. So this is the sign, my brother picked it up from a yard sale a couple years ago. It's been sitting, I found it in the side. We never really looked at it. He said there was something wrong with it. Doesn't remember what, which be a multitude of things, of course. One thing I noticed, we have a few, it's very hard to see, a little crack. We're going to take it apart real quick, take a look what's going on, and basically assess damage, kind of do a little troubleshooting, but for this video, just take a look at what we're working with here. Alright. So we got four screws on each side, or 2 on each, that basically gets us down to get it open. Alright? Let's speed things up a little bit. Alright, cool. So this plate should just come off. Willingly, of course, I would hope. Slides undone here. Try not to crack it because this is all painted on the plastic, and I don't really want to replace the plastics because I'm sure just replacing it would end up being me having to replace the sign. So, just get the darn thing off here. There we go. Now she wants to come apart. Here we go. This is the bottom piece. A little overspray. Put that by the helmets. Alright, these should just slide out like so. Alright, cool. So a single bulb, that already makes it a hair easier to deal with. And so right here, sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but they're cracked plastics, but they're kind of pushed back together. I'm gonna see if we can get that resealed, make it sit right. And as you can see, most plastings over time tend to yellow. It's very prevalent here, so we'll look into that as well, although it probably will be just staying the way it is. Okay, take the ball. Oh, right here, I didn't even notice that till now. I'll show you here. Let me slide this one out. A very large crack right here, actually missing stuff in case you couldn't figure it out. There's another little bit of a hairline crack right here. We may get, oh, this all needs to be cleaned up, I see. Yeah, it all is yellowed, so we'll see what we can do with that as well. But we're going to see if we can get some plexi or something to just kind of like fill in for this. We'll kind of shape it out, see how it goes. That's the plan with that. Put these along the side here. Very straightforward, just one bulb. We're going to go ahead and see if we can get this replaced. It might be something stupid simple with a bulb. I have no idea. Ooh, easy girl. Could be a bad bulb. Could be a bad ballast. This looks like this has been worked on before. It doesn't, not everything lines up here. This has been redone. As you can see, there's actually there's a piece there, but it's supposed to be going through here. Yeah, someone's taken this thing apart before, and I hope it's nothing damaged because I'd like to really get into this thing. But alright, that's just kind of an update what's going on. So, oh, we're missing part of the stand. Yeah, basically we're going to clean this up, see what we can do with the plastics, because that's kind of the important part. You people want to see the Yokohama sign. That's the thing. We may upgrade the bulb. I don't know yet. We're going to kind of look and see what needs to be fixed first. We could upgrade it to LED, although people like that like classic look with a little bit of the yellow glow to it, just because of the halogen. But alright, so thank you again for sticking around to take a look at my little side project for the winter. I have a few other things coming up. I'm going to keep it secret right now just until I get everything situated here, because I'm not trying to hop around projects. As you all know, I have a few going on right now. So thank you for taking time to go ahead and check out my update with this project, and I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving, and if you don't celebrate, then I hope you just have a great Thursday. Thanks y'all, and have a good one. Peace out.